Oh, you're right. That's a tickler though. Hope they're not dropping him.
I like this one because he's so fluffy. He really looks like a Santa deer. Isn't he fluffy? Oh, he's eating your cranberries, Danielle.
Wait, those cranberries they put out there?
Yeah, he loves them. Uh-oh, he heard the phone.
Oh, shit, that's your pot though. Oh, I probably get a bellyache, but I guess okay.
Him?
Yeah.
He's eating them.
Damn.
He loves them.
He got a lot of sugar though. He's gonna hurt himself.
He won't hurt himself. He said he never had cranberries so good.
This one to the right coming down is pretty. Look at his ears. Down by the road on the right.
Yeah, they got the fluffy ears and
Look
everything.
at right there. Him, he's cool looking. Look at him. Yeah, there's 6 of them right here.
Yeah, that's right. I got a little pair block right there.
No, they're eating Danielle's cranberries.
I had cranberries that were in Alan's fridge, but they went bad, so we had to dump them out.
Close you can get to them right here. It's a baby deer coming in.
Come here and look.
They killed their mothers.
Oh no,
Right here,
the
Bob,
mother,
look.
the mother's there.
This ain't a mother. This is a baby.
No, but the mother went across with some of
Yeah,
them.
they
Look at-
killed a lot of the mothers though. There's a lot of, what do I say, a lot of orphans
see 'em?
out here. But they'll be killed next year. They'll have babies this spring.
Are they both eating it?
Yeah.
Oh. I'll clear it up.
Mama, you're kind of feeling cool. Mama did not make us mind.
Yeah, he's busy.
And I'm Vincent and first get up. I'm pimping it. I see.
Danielle, the one won't let him have it. He's keeping him away. He chased him away. He came right beside him. He wanted to get some. He won't let him have any. He's being selfish with it.
Shit. Yeah, I think I pulled this finger though. It hurts right there. I think I pulled it.
See him?